Image Paodam Yangir Simbu, 100 Ramok Savrina, Kurumjari. Nasi Maruva Pauda, All India Senate School Certificate Examination, the Manipurina Makomatan Tarku Singh, Ramok. Menmarunaki Puslapa, Asad Ki Post Polam Singh, Yangshinbagi tribes at the Kray. Loinana, hit drawn Nasi, my partner, Orishagi, Sandi Pudaki, Sangin Tokre. Howzy Mapunga Pau, Lobby. CVSE Affiliated School Association Kasa Manipur Sindhuna Hadak Sahigi All India Senate School Certificate Examination da Manipuri Goina Mako Matan Taraklaba Mahirushin Simerunga Leva Classic Grand Data Okwitham Patokre Inkumzal Sing Resuna Tratu October Session Kumari the Sapong Kiva Kashana Sadim Sahia Sida AISSC Ida Mako Matan Tarago Mahirushin Hanwen Opagi from a Sigi Nungi Warul Birdana, Kashagi Secretary K. Shanaimana, Hai Manipur Kunaya Sida, CBSE, Asi, Hantomi and the Miamna, Matam Kayang Mamang the Yangur Lagli. Karigumba Mu Yamabu exam line my pocket have the CBSE exam time, Hybrid Singba, Wapam Kaya Miam, the Ponu Lagli. Asingumba, Hantani Yangiba, Kaya Sibuko, Hanabitama, Wakal Manab Singpun Kasa Sem Matum. Manipur Laiba CBSE School Sing a Sida Pantokiba exam sing a say, Sanakangun Wam, Pantok Tanaba Kan Honor Lakivani. Punmaki Horazaman Gimatong in Angasidi, Miamna, Hunter Yangamba CBSE, Mawai Yang being the Nathira Yamami, Yam Chown Tare. CBSE the Tamil Mahir sing a say, Manipurima Pala by state singer Sangam of the Noctanaba, was asking of the Mama Power, wishing a kind of honor Lakli. Kariguma Kunayasi upon Mahiro Semati Harvadi, Kashari Makedi sound to Logani. High key. Tramadru Sarugyakiba Education SK Director T.H. Kiran Kumar Hai Nasi Manipur Laiwa School Singer Topper Masing Sangam Nadra Labiki Mahuta School Laduki Mairu Kayana Pastor Duke Haiba Dugi Matang Su Kanba Matok Tare Mahiro Yamana Tungi Punsiki Ramak Philip Low Matamda Ima Ipan and Gamgadaba Ishana Panjo subject Amadi Mai Papa Sangada Steady Material Kaya Adu Line of Pangadaba Kalaga Philip Lowna Mai Papa Punsima Oibada Chown Mating Oigani Nasi Manipur Lengak Amadi Lakaina Makok Tagabam Hirishing Opaki Thrum Kaya Paksana Atuknari Haiki. Thromatu the Sarugyakiba, Manipur Lengaki Deputy Secretary Regina Hongre and Hai, Mahiro Amana Mai Pak with the Pamjava Hiram and the Tawayam, Honaba Matokai, Muiba Amagi Punsiasi, Larik Tambaloy, Raga, Punsi Chupa Tamba, Honaba Pava Tokar Nate, Punsido, Tenaka of Awanwaka, my partner. Mayoga, Namna with the Mayoshina, discipline Amadi, Hingbagi, one talk Mamutanan, Native Matotai, Manipura Laiva School Singa, Human Belugi, Donganba, Classama Hatuna, Mayoshinga, Kangan Matotai, Haike, Nasiki Thorm, Aduda, AISSC Ida, Manipurian Makomatan Tarakraba, Mayoshinga, Asamba Kudol Bossing Pidana, Punitawaki. Sahia Sigi Lok Sabha Mikal Mamanga. NEIDP na election campaign sa talkiba extend amagi matang da atopa political party karna police na FIR pale haiduna social media yauna party asibulana hunna bahonari basi aningde party isna police na FIR thakiba leite haina NEIDP na fongdorli terada leba NEIDP ga office la pangthok pa pawing pham amada handak pangthokiba lok sabha mikal ra party sigi outer gi mere boikiba asang kasuna Mamusing Haiki. Sahi Sigi April 6 Tarukta, Sarapati the election campaign of Zatke, consider that extend of a toke, extend of the Yam Noitava, Todo Amani and a Ponuxari, Todo Aduki Matang, the Polish Sanglaga, I quite conserve no high delay, Aduga, NEIDP, Amadi, Mark Masa, Gimakedi, FIR, Taki delay. Extend talk the heavy police Sangravadi, I quite got Sangani, Madugi Matung. I quite be power Laga in Pali, as soon as extended talk Rehaina report Pirubada, Kanamba, I coined the Masak Kang Dursing FIR at Harihina social media the Pari or Kivani. Asanka Shana Makatan High FIR, do candidate Masana, Madi party in Hakim Slate. NEIDP will learn one of us Serana Bumonga FIR thare haina political party khana uribani madu ubigano thawamadu nuaite masina maram oiduna aikoi da tension wangki saliba meeting adusu talk lo haibri talk rabani thawamadu da nuaite madu gi numita aikoi da tension wang lebasu political party ama oibani na aikoi da party amaga amagi marakta haina ba haibsi mahusani khanbadagi nemthakibani madugi mahutta political party singna amato sanmin duna miam gi chaput khongthang da samina na bonasi haina mahana makhata haiki ngasi put safety department more amadi more police ani na khusum na sinduna Myanmar rom dagi pusilakpa asa thaki polam sing amadi haira sing yengsin bagi drive ama sathakre drive da more gi lambi mataida asa thak amadi haira sing yoliba sing dagi maru oina Myanmar rom dagi pusilakpa tarbuj haino apple na singba haira khara lokhatuna state food safety laboratory da test tawnaba sample khongat ki lonina more bazar area singda food business story hotel singi kitchen sing yengsin ki amadi honor singda license amadi registration tawnaba awareness people lonina form kayam su yenthoki ngasi drive to the food safety department more gi officer L Kripyalini Devi food safety gi designated officer L Subrata Singh more police ki additional SP KH Robinson DSP CDO Thomas Toksom amadi more police ki OC let kohau wafei amadi ate officer sing yauna drive adu sataki junior social scientist hub kaksing gi lamjing makhada ngasi saknai ba kabi amasung nainaroi salam tomagi humra humroi siba mapuk numit tawul leiba kabi gi yumna pangthokre thromi saruk ama oina biramgol pukramam iba saireng kaumdaba khongsat asaiba salam tombaga unaba da member amasu phongki loinana kabi salam tombui kai khomna utuna sana polam amadi sana khonang amasu kudol tarki hairi Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Kosemna Lauba Class 12 ki Higher Secondary Examination 2019 da Thawal Okram Wangatawa da Leiba New Era Higher Secondary School ki Science Stream da Manipur Pumbagi oina 4th position phangkraba Avinash Elangbam amadi 20th position phangkrabi Laisram Reshmi yauna school adugi thoidok hendokna mai pak khraba mahairu sing ngasi taram opui thom pathokre New Era Higher Secondary School na sendura ngasi school sigi complex da pangthokiba ngasi gi mahairu sing butaram opagi thom aduda Manipur University ki Life Science Department ki Professor N Mohilana athoiba mithung Dem College of Science ki Associate Professor Dr. Akoijam Brozena Thromapu Loinana Social Scientist Dr. Thanbi Laisram amadi Evagan Flowers School ki Principal Dr. Okram Ibo Pisakna akhanaba mitungeng sing oina saruyaki Thromatida position holder ani amadi Computer Science State Subject topper phangkraba mahiroi ahum yauna Inspire Scholar phangkraba mahiroi kunthama thoi amadi oja singda school gi maigei degi acham kudol posting piduna taramna oppaga loinana pung thawatki thromatida wang singna hadakta for lathokraba kosemna lowa class 12 ki exam da New Era Higher Secondary School Thawal Okram wangtabagi ahan ba oina mahiroi chani gi kuni thoina appear tawda 4th position amadi 20th position ani yauna First division da mahiroi chani gi sunna dipan second division da mahiroi taramari mai paktuna chama pass tarpada harau nuaiba amadi thagat phungdok loinana mahiroi singi tung da lakatoriba punsida mai pakpa mioi amam oiba namnam demo pakta kaya su peki Manipur University ki Life Science Department ki Professor N Mohilalna athoiba mithunglen gi warul piriduna hai education yauduna sahutpa samajama semba ngamde maramasina mipum khudimangna education da henba bieng thamgadabani naha wariba singna larik tamada laisu khangna tamsei phana larik haibasu laisu khangdrabadi punamak aremani mai paklaba mairoi amana mahapu takpirapu oja singbu khak kaw ngamde maramasina oja singnasu mairoi singda kathokpa loinana thamoi singna takpi tambiba tangai thadi haiki
school de sam degree ma phangmodana tiyo degree to loinana akhoi ge heiba yaba my trade ama masi sinfam ma haibuduna koi pamjari se aduna ta sena ngasi samaje education yam darkar hoiri se akhoi se yamna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯊꯤꯡꯀꯤꯡ ꯈꯟꯖꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯔꯝꯗꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ intelligence leiba aduge character leiba adugma satra puthokpa darkar hoi gan hainari bisi masidagini
Kathange Gospel Idol Session 2 की closing ceremony come grand final Tenupal district headquarters da leiba Tenupal community hall da pathokre. I'll praise the Lord all my life. I'll sing praise to my God as long as I live. I will team the Kathange Gospel Idol Committee na Sindunam Mamang Sahi ki November 3 Tuktagi Satrakpa Kathange Gospel Idol Session 2 Season 2 ngasi asi Loisinbagi Thorumda Autonomous District Council Sandel Chairman D. Ringo Lamkang na Tobi Mitung Vice Chairman S. Tongpao Matena Thromapu ADC Sandel ki member Sineva Hokipna Akhanaba Mitung KSO Tenupal District ki President Thangboy Lungdim KSO Tenupal Block ki President Haupu Mate KW HR Tenupal District ki President Chongboy Matena Thedokpa Mitung Sing Oiki Tenupal Christian Church ki Secretary Tongsai Mate Church Leader Orden Psycholate Baite Anisu Dais Phamki Kathange Gospel Idol Season 2 Asigi Grand Final da contestant Tarana Atoy Hen Tanaki Manipuri Students Federation MSF Head Office Impal Amadi MSF Jirpam District Committee na Aikoi like Niktina Tamsi Haiba Campaign gi Makhada Ngarang Jirbam gi Manung Hanjin na Leiba Boroikal Sabughat Amadi Babu Khalda Leiroi School Sing the Coin Satuna Yangsinbada School Sing a Sigi Lambi Amadi Kuja Sing Aduna Satnaba Lambi Hawa Laitabna Maram Origa Wazamatik Sana Amadi Sang Nai Lapang Namdabdagi Mahirus Sing na Topa Mapam da Yum Honga like Tamnan Kiba Tenaki Haina Paumi Yaw Sat Kiba Concert Adu the MSF Head Office Impal gi President Ngarian Bamilan na Fondorkley Sat Kiba Concert Adu Ngarian Bamilan President MSF ISO Impal na do Singki Concert Adu da Maibam Jolef Singh External Affairs Secretary MSF ISO Yendrembam Bungsa Finance Secretary ISO MD Jishan Organization Secretary Atom Rajiv President MSF Jirbam District Committee Amadi Sayam Sanjoy Singh Assistant Finance MSF Jirbam District Committee na Sarugyaki Ngarian Bam Milan President MSF ISO na Pongdor Kivada Aikoi Lai Nitina Tamsi Haibagi Pandamda Jirbam gi Boroikhal the school Singi Fibam Yengba Lakpada Borokal Primary School Waza Satra Amadi School Singing Infrastructure Matik Sadana Lerama Tenare Sarkarna Paikat Kiba Scheme Singi Mapam Asida Punky Haibagin Mami Amatat Uba Pangde Aduga Housing Paliba Lengakna Kungang Satsi Amadi Mahiru Singi Oiba Scheme Kaya Singasi Pale Oibagi Mami Tare Haiki How Kiva April ki Tang Kulum Doida Bamur Kapu Makha Lekai Dagi Kumuzum Arun Sahi Kuntrama Apo Pasana Zahu Kobama Bamur Kapu Sipai Lekai da Tamtina Hatlaga Tamlum Kiva Adugi Mayokta JC Shemduna Mihat Pada Senabasing Puto Haibatabi Taguna Janimski Mokta Leiba Arungi Asi Haksang Logan Lekiva do Yadabama Porpagi as Hari Asi Haksang Lokre Miam Asi Haksang Adu Possession Galwena Nasalabumatung Mahaki One from London, Matom, Bato Krehari, JC Makeri, Pondo Kibda, Mihatpa, Citizen Bani Haiba, Pradhan, now Shekpum Rabiamadi, Lakidraba, Arungiloina B. Helena, Mihat Adu Masana, Namaran Yazare, Sharsit Atubra Tang Lagani Haina Espina, JC the Kangal Padagi, Asivaksang Logani, Makoyanigi Sharsit Adu, Makoyi, Riman, Tazi, Train Banda, Logedo Riba, Asigi Mamanga, Lankani Haibagi, Taz Pirakle Highway. Ibado Semai to Kerk Harao Wangasiga Tana, Minipani Shu, Renana. Ibado Harao Matoi Kawa, Torungi, Manung Sanba, Komba Lambiang, Saval Lamtopaki Toromasi, Pantokre, Ibado Lamtoki Toromado, Kerk Kaitel, Lampaka, Pantoke. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO na high-speed expendable aerial target hit drone ngasi Odisha gi Sandipur leba interim test range dagi mai pangna saing tawkre abhyas drone asi autopilot na thogudaba autonomous flight ni abhyas sanabgi wakalol asigi pre-project details semba listing ani sumna traum dogi January losin ki ahanba experimental launch adu 2012 ta pangthoki hairi project adu ki damak lupa koti trangana hodokki bani masi design adu DRDO gi aeronautical development establishment na develop toba high speed target drone system lakshya da yumpham orga lepki bani hairi Andaman and Nicobar gi Teresa Island da Indian Armed Forces singna exercise bull strike kasi pangthokre exercise bull strike haibasi armed force singi punna kari tawung ambage haibu utpa military drill amani exercise manungda airborne operation da tawa ngamadu utli service ahum dagi troop sam humrana combat free fall amasung static line mortar paradrop operation pangthoi IAF aircraft dagi song thaduna skydiving tawagi video amasu Indian Army na serve yanuna utti hari hauki basai December da Indian Air Force ki wing commander Gajanan Yadav na fit kuntraga fit 30 into 20 papa firalama paiduna Uttar Pradesh ki Agra da aircraft ki song thaduna record ma thamki IAF ki skydiving team Akash Ganga da yauriba wing commander Yadav na laimai gi fit lising try thoi wang bi song gi bani Amrumda US Chief of Naval Operations Admiral John Michael Richardson na Indian military ki makok thongbat singa unaduna lebak ani ki military ki mari mapangal hengada na bawari sanakre Indian Navy amasung US Navy anina Malabar amasung Rimpak kawa maritime exercise sang na pangthok minari lebak ani ki punna thabak paikat minabagi thabak ase kumang yamna safali haiki Sanabagi Paodam Kasing Basic Ground of Friendship Sporting Club FSC Kasing the Sindhu Sathariba First State Level Friendship 7A Side Open Football Tournament ki Ngasi Shaniki ba quarter final match ani gi ahan ground da Suno FC na Goro FC bu Panjal Amasuno da thoi kre Suno FC ama tengai ro Panjal du Jackson na match ki minute tra kuthama thoi chatpana sanduna Suno FC semi final sang kre ngasi ani suba ground na Lamjau FC na Young United pu Panjal Taret Senior Mighty Pikre Lamjau FC ki Panjal Singadu I Joy Kishan na match ki minute ahum nipuma thoi yankai ma thoi made yankai nipan chatpada El Kishan na minute nipan chatpada aduga Young United ki Prem Kumar na on goal ina ama loidana minute nipu minute yankai ga taruk chatpada Bipin Chandra na goal adu san kibani FC su semi-final sangkre tha sigi tang taruk tagi hauduna All Manipur Volleyball Association AMVA gi makhada All Jirbam Sports Association Jirbam sinduna Jirbam gi bau parada leiba Jirbam Higher Secondary School gi playground da team mapan saruk yadur sathra kiba mapan suba YKSO Singh Memorial Football Tournament 2000 Napigani Memorial Volleyball Tournament 2019 gi ngasi shanikiba semi-final Super League round gi ahanba match ta KYLSC team na NYVA team bu set ahum amada maikiba piki aduga anishuba match ta Jirbam Police team na YCGC Sajing Konjeng Lekai bu set ahum suno da maikiba piki hojik aroibda maroi pau amuna pijari All India Senior School Certificate Examination da Manipur yoina makomatan tarkhabu sing taran okre Myanmar rum dagi pusilakpa asad khat ki polam sing yengsin bagi drive chata kre loinana hit drone ngasi mai pak na Odisha gi Sandipur dagi sangin tawkre ngasi di parum sandok chaba matang se loijare myam khana rumjai